How to delete Venmo history in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to delete Venmo history. Okay, so I just need to tell you guys that this is something impossible to do it on Venmo. Not only on Venmo, but all these payment apps like PayPal, Cash App. You cannot at all to delete history, okay? Because they need to record everything that happened in your app. Like for example on Venmo or on PayPal, they need to keep saving all the payments that you receive or that you send just for safety. Okay, so this is not something possible that you can do. You can just delete your account if you want your transactions to disappear, and then create another account with the same email or phone number. But if you want to delete history from Venmo with the same account, this is something that you cannot do it, unfortunately, and there is no way that's going to help you to do this. Okay, so this is the truth about this. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.